Hey, it's Megan. Welcome back to the channel, my friend. In this video, I'm sharing over 20 Dollar Tree home hacks for storage, organization, and just everyday life solutions. And with all that said, we're getting started right now. In Dollar Tree's bathroom section, you can find these acrylic 3-compartment organizers. Great deal, great find. Pick up some of their hook and loop adhesive, which is also, it's pretty much Velcro. And you're gonna stick that on the back of the organizer, put that on the inside of your cabinet. You can use this in your medicine cabinet. You can use this for hair brushes, makeup brushes, toothbrushes. You can use it for all the brushes. Really, it's a versatile hack. I use this in my bathroom cabinet, in my medicine cabinet, and under my sink. Check it out, y'all. You can buy these expandable foam grips in the technology electronics section. The back of these has the strongest adhesive, way stronger than any of Dollar Tree's wall hooks. These mamma jammas are serious business. So wherever you put these hooks, just make sure you want to keep them there. I use mine in the bathroom just to hold necklaces. But you can also paint them to whatever color your heart desires. I painted some white, stuck them on the back of my closet door. And by the way, when I say these are in place for good, one of these hooks I did not space out right, and I broke a nail trying to get this off my door. So wherever you put them, make sure you want them to stay. I use the hooks on the back of my closet door to organize my husband's hats, but they could be used in the laundry room, or you could put some empty purses on there. Grab a few of the collapsible storage bins and some more hook and loop, aka Dollar Tree's Velcro. Now, this Velcro does have adhesive on the front and the back. Adhesive will not stick to fabric. So add a little bit of hot glue a piece of the Velcro to your bin, and then you're going to stick this into your drawers. Now, I'm sure you've seen organizing your drawers using these bins before, but why not make it even more functional by adding the Velcro? Now it's not gonna be slipping and sliding everywhere. Y'all, I did this to almost all of my drawers, including my PJ/slock drawer. And you can adjust the bins, slide them all cattywampus and make yourself some different sized little compartments like I did for the socks, a little bitty sock compartment. In Dollar Tree's laundry section, they have 3 bags for $1.25 mesh laundry bags. That's a great deal. Grab one of the mesh laundry bags and just clip it to your hamper. You're gonna put all your dirty socks in there to keep them separate from the rest of your dirty laundry. The great thing about these laundry bags is they can go directly in the washer, directly into the dryer, and then you can clip it right back on the bin again. No more lost socks. This is a game changer, especially for smaller children's socks. I've been doing this for about 2 or 3 years, no complaints. While we're on the topic of laundry, I love, this is one of the best buys at Dollar Tree, are these car wash mitts. I don't use to wash my cars. They're the best product ever for dusting or to clean out your dryer vent. And then when you're done, you can throw them in the washer, throw them in the dryer, and then I store mine using some of Dollar Tree's magnetic clips on the side of my washer and dryer. I also use these magnetic hooks on the side of my washer and dryer to store nasty items that you need to have, but you don't really want to display anywhere or store with anything else, like fly swatters and snakes for the drain. The magnetic hooks are super versatile. I use them to hold measuring cups. Before I had a handlebar on my dishwasher, I used that to hold a dish towel because my cabinets underneath my sink also don't have handlebars. But I also use these in my bedroom. My bed is metal, so I use it to store a few of my ponytail holders and my Roku remote. In a previous video, I shared how you can store or hold a Roku remote just using a binder ring. I'll have that video linked in the description. And if you don't have a metal bed, you know what? You could probably use the phone grips for that. Now, I don't know about you, and maybe you're lucky. I'm not. I don't have any linen closet in my entire house, not even in the bathroom. So up until recently, I was keeping all my extra sheets and bedding in drawers that was taking up precious storage space for clothing, until I found these great under the bed fabric shoe organizers at Dollar Tree. For $1.25, this is a great deal. Now, these are super thin, so don't expect anything super thick. In fact, I wouldn't store shoes in there, but they work great for under the bed storage for extra linens. And speaking of closets, one of the only storage closets I do have in my house doesn't even have a light overhead. No outlets, no lights. Dollar Tree to the rescue again. I just used one of Dollar Tree's push lights, battery operated, along with, can you guess, Velcro. And y'all, this has worked like a charm. I did this about 8 or 9 months ago, and this is, like I said, the only storage closet I have in my house, and this holds up strong, and I can still change out the batteries. Dollar Tree carries a plethora of wall hooks, but my favorite wall hooks I don't actually use to hang anything in my house, not from Dollar Tree. You know, the bigger wall hooks, it's like they either don't come off the wall or they don't stay on the wall. But I do love these smaller hooks just to hold in place wires. So behind my dresser, that's where I charge my phone. But I don't want to have to reach back and slide my hand all the way down to grab the cord each time or to plug my phone in. I just use one of those little hooks right behind my dresser. I can just reach back, grab the cord, charge my phone. I'm good to go. These also work really well with Dollar Tree's cabinet and drawer organizers to hold them in place. Like this dish drying rack, which technically I guess isn't a cabinet organizer, but it works as a cabinet organizer for your lids to your Tupperware. You know, these are great in practice, but if they're sliding everywhere, they don't work as well. So just add some hooks, keep them in place, make them super functional. I've also shown before I do this with the shelf riser to keep it from sliding back and forth. And lastly, I highly recommend Dollar Tree's over-the-door hooks. These are great. Best deal for $1.25. But I do not recommend hanging these on your door without hooks. Otherwise, they'll slide back and forth and scratch your door. In fact, you can see this door of mine. Up until recently, I did not add hooks to this over-the-door hanger, and it did scratch the top of my door. So I'll have to paint this door soon. I don't know. Or maybe I'm just using the hooks wrong. Does anyone else have that problem where the over-the-door hooks will scratch the top of the door? I don't know. Anyways, another item I really love are these sponge holders for your sink. I don't use them in my sink. I use them in my bathroom to hold my razor. But they would hold so many more things. Wash rag, body soap. Maybe you brush your teeth in the shower. I don't. I know some people do. And they also work great for their intended purpose as a sponge holder. Now, speaking of shower organizations, one of my favorite shower organizational items at Dollar Tree are these larger suction cup shower caddies. These Mama Jammas are super strong. I've had mine for 4 years. I bought it when Dollar Tree was still $1. It's going strong, and you can even use, I'll use a full liter shampoo, and I've put that in there, and it holds fine. I also love these heavy duty tool suction cups. I'm really confused. They only have a 3-star rating at Dollar Tree because I think these are better than name brand you can buy at Home Depot or Walmart. In fact, I use these every single year. The same suction cups, by the way. I don't buy new ones each year, the same ones to hold wreaths on my doors for Christmas. My windows, not my doors. But they work wonderful. And I'm in Texas, so we have high, strong winds, crazy storms. I even put battery operated lights on these wreaths, and these Mama Jammas hold up. So I don't know what the 3-star rating's about because I think they are a great buy. Now, one of the coolest items I recently found in Dollar Tree's teaching section or office supply section is this organizer. It's a basic organizer. It would work so many ways. You can use it to hold your utensils. You could even use it if you needed to store some cutting boards and some of your spoons. But that's not what I'm using it for. I just wanted to share with you all the cool ideas I had. What I'm using it for is underneath my bathroom sink. This is the exact thing I've been looking for. Very basic standard organizer to hold my curling iron and my mirror and my brushes. It's the perfect size and it works wonderful. In fact, my entire bathroom sink underneath my sink is organized with Dollar Tree supplies. These acrylic organizers found in the kitchen section. I use this to hold and store my makeup along with these, I think they're supposed to be pencil organizers. I'm not really sure. I also found these in the teaching section. I use this to hold my makeup. I also use one of Dollar Tree's heavy duty magnets to hold my bobby pins. I'm sure you could do this with nails or sewing needles, anything that is metal. These big heavy duty magnetic clips are a great little hack to store and hold things. A few years ago, Dollar Tree started selling these stackable glass containers. I love these. I've used these for years. I just use them with some Q-tips and some extra flossers. Now, I know I've shared this before and many others have too. In the catering section, these extra large bins are such a deal and a great organizer, especially for anything above eye level. Like this is a cabinet over my toilet. I actually can't see the top of the shelf. So having these clear bins where things stand up and I can see what I have, what I still need works great. Or use this for low down storage below your sink where you also need to be able to see really well. The clear bins work out well for that the same. Now, if you're looking for a little bit of some elevated, nicer looking storage, you can pick up 2 of these Dollar Tree metal hooks for only $1.25. They also come with the screws and wall anchors to hang them. But I'm gonna elevate my storage even a little bit more, just a smidgen, by picking up 2 of these wooden planks. I stain my wooden coffee. It's just what I like to do. I don't like using real stain. It stinks, it stains my hands, and I never make it look right. Anyways, I just screwed the wood plaques into some studs of my wall. And then I use the screws that the Dollar Tree hooks came with to screw those into my wooden plaques. And ta-da, I have some really nice bedroom hooks. I really needed these hooks because my robe, I always ended up just kind of like hanging it on my doorknob, which I don't like. I don't know why I wouldn't make the few extra steps to put it in the closet where it technically belongs, but now I can just hang it on the wall and it's not so bad. Dollar Tree has all kinds of permanent screw in the wall hooks though. So these staple hooks, these used to only come in white. Now they come in black and silver, which is a great buy. These are great in the closet. You can use them in the laundry room or in the garage. I use them in all 3 places. You can triple or even quadruple though your storage by just picking up one of Dollar Tree's carabiners. I think carabiner is how you say it. I'm not really sure. I'm just copying what I've heard other YouTubers say. I think these are called carabiners. Anyways, use those and quadruple your storage. And lastly, when it comes to screw in the wall storage or screw in the wall hooks, these heavy duty metal hooks found in Dollar Tree's tool section are a steal of a deal. These are a staple at Dollar Tree. They've had them for years. They're perfect for garage storage, from everything from cords to sports gear, shovels. You can hang tools on them and you can bend them to mold whatever you want to hang. I probably have 20 of them in my garage right now. Now, Dollar Tree's plant clips, I've mentioned them before and many other people have too. It's worth mentioning again, especially right now because you can only get them in the summer, but they're a great bargain. You get 2 different sizes, use them, the smaller ones, to store cords, and you can also use them to hold extra ponytail holders or just use them for chips and crackers. That's what I mostly do. The small ones and the big ones work great for snacks. And then lastly, Dollar Tree's felt pads. Now, I have the felt pads on every single cabinet in my house. For some reason, up until like last week, and I was closing drawers, my husband's like, "Why are you slamming drawers?" I'm like, I'm not. He's like, "Why don't you add those felt pads to the drawers like you have the cabinets?" I'm like, you know what? I have no idea. So anyways, add felt pads to all your cabinets and all your drawers. Prevent yourself from slamming drawers and cabinets. Yeah, it's such a simple solution or a simple fix for such a simple solution. Sometimes it's like, no duh. Why did I not think of that years ago? Anyways, that is it, my friend. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time.